remedies. We all feel unwell sometimes, but the remedy may be close at hand. Just look around your home. There are all sorts of things that can make you feel a lot better. Who doesn't have a headache every now and then? Lemon is a great ingredient to treat headaches because it is refreshing and relaxing. Drink some lemon juice with warm water to help get rid of that nasty pain. Toothache is awful. Well, vanilla extract is not just good for cakes. For quick relief from a toothache, put some on your tooth. It might help with the pain, and it tastes quite nice too. If you have a stomachache, you should drink some ginger tea. It's tasty, healthy, and good for your stomach. Natural and tasty honey may help sore throats. Add a teaspoonful to a glass of hot water and drink slowly. At last, a remedy that tastes good. Chocolate has the same ingredient in it as a cough syrup, so it can stop a nasty cough. The things in our homes can help us a lot. But remember, you have to check with a doctor first.